Dear student, I am Ujjwal Mollik, an assistant teacher, English, Kosuria Bazar, HSMN Secondary School, Mollahat, Bagirhat. I hope you are safe and sound in this pandemic COVID-19. Today I will discuss one, the use the right form of verbs. I discussed the day before about this topic and this part is 2. So let's see on the blackboard. Part 2. We will discuss the examples with rules. Number A, the boys play cricket now. The boys play cricket now. There is a word now. And number B, the economy of our country develop day by day. The word day by day. In these two sentences, we find two words or phrase now, day by day. If there are now, day by day, gradually, at this moment, we will write down the sentence in present continuous tense. If we find any of these words in this sentence, as there is now, the boys play cricket now. So there is a word now. The economy of our country develop day by day. There is a word day by day. If there are any of the words now, day by day, gradually, at this moment, we have to write down the sentence in present continuous tense. So there is a word now. So we have to do the verb in present continuous tense. As boys is plural, we have to write are, and the verb play should be added ing, playing. The answer will be are playing. Next, number B, the economy of our country develop day by day. So in this sentence we have to use present continuous tense. The subject is economy, is in singular form, so we have to write is. The verb develop, developing. So in these two sentences we find some indicators that will inform us to do the sentence in present continuous tense. The word is now, day by day, at this moment, gradually. Next, number C. The students have to finish the lesson. Here, the word have. In number D, we got the wall paint. Here, the word got. If we find any of the words have, has, had, having, get, got, getting, gotten, we have to write down the past participle form of the verb. As there is have, we have to transform the verb into past participle form. The past participle answer is finished. And in number D, as there is a word got, we have to write down the word paint in past participle form, painted. Painted. So in these two sentences, we find a word have got. If there is have verb or get verb, then we have to write down the verb in past participle form. In number E, the poor suffer a lot due to flood. The poor. The brave, to be the winners. Brave. Poor is an adjective, brave is an adjective. And there is an article, the. If we find the before an adjective, we have to write down the verb in plural form. That means the plus adjective is a plural noun. The plus adjective is a plural noun. So we have to write down the verb in plural form. The answer will be suffer. Next, number F. To be verb. It should be in plural form are. So in these two sentences we find if there is a structure like the plus adjective, it is plural noun. So we have to use the plural form of the verb. Let's see another example. Here the word since. Before since we see present perfect tense. So we have to use the verb meet in past indefinite tense. That means the answer will be met. If there is a word since, as if, as though, before these words we find the structure present tense, present indefinite, present continuous, present perfect, any of the present tense. We have to use the verb in past indefinite tense. Next example is she speaks. There is word as if and he speaks present form. We have to use the word no in past form. Past indefinite tense. That means the answer will be new. The next rule, past indefinite, tense plus since oblique as if oblique as though plus past perfect tense. If we find past indefinite tense before these words since, as if, as though, we have to use the next verb in past perfect tense. Let's see some example. In this sentence, we find as if. There is past indefinite tense before this. He behaved. Behaved is in past indefinite tense. Then we have to use the verb to be in past perfect tense. That means the answer will be had been. And in the next example, we find the word since. Before since we find past indefinite tense. 10 years past. We have to use the verb live in past perfect tense. The answer will be had left. Had left. So by these two sentences, we find past indefinite tense plus since oblique as if oblique as though then plus past perfect tense. So this is all. In this part 2, I will try to discuss another 5 rules of the use the right form of verbs. No more today. Thank you.